Hi, I'm Christine Giordano, and I'm here with Carrie Green. She's from the Department of Treasury for the state of Tennessee. And we are here at the Markets Group 11th Annual Institutional Forum in the Central States. Welcome, Carrie.
Hi, thank you, Christine.
Thanks for speaking this morning. I was wondering, do you have any key takeaways regarding how long it will take this election to actually influence our economy?
Yeah, that's actually something we're thinking a lot about in our team. I think there's been a lot of pull forward in the market, a lot of repeated themes around inflation being a problem due to immigration policy, due to tariffs. However, I think a lot of those things are going to take longer than people expect to actually be enacted and take effect. And so when we look out into 2025, we still see structural disinflationary forces having the greatest impact while the labor market remains tight. And so we think that 2025 actually looks pretty good for the consumer as opposed to some of those higher inflation narratives that are going around right now.
Wonderful. And what is your role at the Department of Treasury?
Sure. I am the director of the public equity portfolio, which is a little bit less than 50% of the assets of our pension plan.
Can you tell me how you see equities and passive versus active investing playing out within 2025's economy?
Sure. There's a lot of deep dives we're doing right now on market structure when it comes to active versus passive, particularly that the indexes of 25 years ago are not the indexes of today. And so you're making different decisions when it comes to whether or not you want to be active versus passive in 2025 versus perhaps the year 2000. And so for us, we're thinking about one, concentration matters. Two, valuations matter. When you look at really long term, these are great starting points, but valuation is not a catalyst. So for us, we're thinking about being active in places where there's a lot of dislocation or there's a lot of potential for rapid change.
Any hints on where you're looking for the dislocations?
I would say mostly in small caps. I don't think we're very differentiated there. However, if you do circle back on the policy discussion and at some point in 2025 policy, including deregulation, starts getting priced in, I think you see it in small caps first.
Thank you very much, Carrie. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Christine.